Inside here, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium, but before I even unbox the box that contains the box of the phone, we got the Lamicall tempered glass screen protector 2-pack right here, and we have 2 cases. I couldn't decide which one to get, so I got them both. This one has extra bumper, but it's still very compact and MagSafe compatible. This one is a little bit more streamlined, and it's also MagSafe, so we're gonna try these both and see the difference. So, are we ready to open up our phone? Here it is. This is what it comes shipped right from the Apple store. The iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go. Boom. We also got the 1TB version. Oh yeah, look at that. The iPhone in there. Very nice Ooh, I like that presentation. You see that? You see how that just pushes the phone up? So now you can just lift it and take it out. Ooh, very compact because nowadays they don't have the power adapter with it anymore. It's just a charging cable and now it's USB-C charging cable. Let's go ahead and unbox the phone right now. Boom. Boom! iPhone 15 Pro Max for the very first time. Dun 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 dun. Wow! That natural titanium just looks gorgeous. Beautiful. And you have the little tab right here to hold it up. And boom! Are you ready for this? This is the moment of truth. Right there. Wow! Look at that beautiful screen. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then of course you got your USB-C cable. It's braided. Nice. Now, one thing to know about this is that although this is a USB Type-C cable, the actual port on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is actually faster data transfer wise than this cable is capable of providing. So you definitely want to upgrade to an even better cable than a cable that comes included with the phone. But it does look nice, so I will be using this for charging at the very least because it's nice braided cable right there. The design by Apple right here with your typical instructions, quick start guide, and your Apple sticker of course. Here we go, we're gonna turn on the phone. So first impression, just holding the phone, it is nicer on the hand. The curvature is definitely nicer than the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I have. So here's the iPhone 14 Pro Max I have. Let me actually turn on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and we'll see the difference. Definitely the smoother edging on the titanium frame and the rounded glass makes it feel nicer to hold. In terms of weight distribution, yes, you definitely know this right away that the 15 Pro Max is a lighter weight distribution, and not only is it lighter, but it is lighter in the way that it's balanced much better. Whereas the 14 Pro Max is a little bit top heavy, you can feel it. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a little bit more balanced and the lightness doubles up and makes it a very comfortable phone to hold. So definitely the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a better experience. Both of these phones are just amazing phones. If you have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, should you really upgrade? I would say probably not. I debated a long time whether I really want to get the 15 Pro Max or not because I have the 14 Pro Max. And I still think I might return the 15 Pro Max. And the reason for that is just because these two phones are so similar. This is basically an iPhone 14S Pro Max, if you would say, right? It's a small upgrade from the 14 Pro Max, but definitely a bigger upgrade if you're going from the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13. Those phones, you'll see a bigger difference. But going from the 14 Pro Max to the 15 Pro Max, probably not as much of a difference. But anyway, the phone is ready to go. Let's go ahead and install our screen protector from Lamicall. New phone, new screen protector. Let's go. This is a Lamicall tempered glass screen protector. We got a 2-pack right here. This one is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, like this one right here. Let's install. The kit comes with your template so you can install it, the user guide, as well as some cleaning cloth and preps to prep your screen, and of course the screen protector. Now you get 2 of these because it's a 2-pack right there, a 2-pack. In case you messed up, you can redo another one, or in case you break it, you can use it for another time or give it to a friend or family. This is a 2-pack of the Lamicall screen protector with the mounting frame right here. This is your installation package. Go ahead and open this and get access to all your cleaning prep material. Boom! You have your cleaning cloth, some adhesive to remove dust particles, dust removal stickers, big ones and small ones. And you got your prep pad right here from Lamicall. Here we go! Our prep pad right here. And we're gonna go clean our phone. Nice and clean. Alright, once our phone is nice and clean, we can use this wipe right here to dry it off. Nice and dry. Now we might see a little dust bunnies. If we do, we have these adhesive so that you can use to remove any dust bunnies. I like to use the bigger one. Don't! Let me call. Oh no, dust bunnies. No worries. Be gone, dust bunnies, be gone. Dust-free phone. I'm gonna put on the frame. This is the top of the frame right there. Line it up like so. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. Now, let's take out our screen protector. Boom! The anti-static glass screen protector from Lamicall. We know that this is the top of the phone. So, the bottom one is here, and this is the top of the phone with a little cutout for the speaker. So, we're gonna peel this back, and we're gonna carefully lay it onto our phone. Here's our screen protector. Here's our phone. Line up the top to the phone. And carefully drop it down from the top. Like so. You'll see the adhesion happen automatically. I like to just watch it. It's beautiful to look at it. You see that? Look at that adhesion. Oh yeah. That's happening all automatically. Beautiful. No dust particles. Yay! Success. Let it work its magic. You can help it if you like. Oh no! Is that a dust particle? That might be a dust particle. It might be a bubble. So we don't know yet. But now is where we can use our cloth. Go ahead and use your cloth right here to just push out those air bubbles. So you can go ahead and just push the air bubbles out like so. Very easy, right? And hopefully this one is a air bubble and not a dust particle. Uh-oh, it might be a dust particle. I don't know. Dust or air bubble? It looks like it was air bubble. So pushing this down there, getting rid of those air bubbles. And at this point, you can take out the frame if you like, but it doesn't hurt to have the frame in here. So we're just gonna push down and help it out. So we're gonna work on these bubbles at the bottom right there. I think we're pretty good. I mean, that is very little and it's going to all rub out. In fact, right now, let me take off the frame. So I'll remove the frame right there. And other than this part, it's a perfect installation. And this will be perfect in just a moment. So I wonder if I can lift the glass up and then seat it back down. Let's try that real quick right here. So we're gonna quickly lift this glass up just a tad and then seat it back down. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And now sit it back down. Oh no. Oh yeah, it went away, see? It went away. Let it go down. And did it go away? Did it go away? Did it go away? No, it's still there. Nope, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It was an air bubble. Woo! Perfect. Very smooth to the touch. You're good to go. Boom! Screen protector installed. Oh yeah. Lamicall screen protector on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Done. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, so nicely well designed, so beautifully crafted with the smooth edges and everything. Should I put a case on it? And the answer is yes, if you want to protect your phone, because one single drop could break your phone. Whereas if you have a case like this one is slim, it's smooth, and it's stylish. It actually looks good. It gives you a better grip. And this one is designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Lamicall. It has your MagSafe magnet. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. The Lamicall smart case right here. Lamicall, less is more. Boom. There it is. Ooh, it's a nice material. Oh wow, it's a very comfortable texture. It doesn't feel rough. It doesn't feel smooth. It feels grippy, but in a really good way. And of course you have the MagSafe ring right here, so you definitely have MagSafe. And you have your bevel edge right here that's gonna protect the camera lenses, because right now without the case, if you put the phone down, basically the lenses are going to touch the table, and if you move the phone around, you're going to scratch those beautiful lenses. But with the case, it's going to provide a bevel edge so that when you put the phone down, the lenses will not be touching the ground. And same with the top, it's going to have a nice bevel edge that sits on top of your phone. And even if you have a screen protector, if you look very carefully, I do have a screen protector, and I actually am using the Lamicall screen protector too. So the screen protector protects the front of my phone, and then the case is going to protect the back of my phone. If I wanted to use my phone without a case, and you know, some days you may want to, then you can easily take this case out. But for now, I feel much more secure with the phone in the case. And how easy is it to install? Well, watch this. Put the phone in, snap the corner, snap that corner, and it's installed. It literally is that easy. That's how quick it is to install the phone. And you see right now, it has a bevel edge, so it is just slightly taller than my lenses, and that's perfect. So now, when I put this on the table, I don't have to worry. So it does protect the lenses. That's ultimately why you would want a case, to protect the lenses and back. And there's also a bevel on the top that protects the screen too. You look very carefully, the bevel is just slightly taller than the entire screen. And I do have a screen protector on this thing. So in case this thing falls down, the case will absorb that shock, and that will prevent my glass from shattering as much as possible. Now, you drop this on a big rock or even a tiny little pebble that's going to impact your glass, well, that's different. It protects super well, both the lens in the back as well as my screen, and it provides a better grip. I still have access to my buttons right there, right there. All the buttons are nice and clicky. I have access to my USB-C port, my speaker cutouts right there, and of course the lens cutout and MagSafe. And it does have a nice solid grip right there. So there we go. That's the Lamicall Smart Case right here. Lamicall iPhone 15 Pro Max case. We have an iPhone 15 Pro Max here, and we have the Lamicall case right here. This one's unique in that it has this extra airbag around, and this airbag provides even extra protection on drops. And it still has the nice cutout for the camera with a raised edge, so it's going to protect our camera bump, and the top lip is raised even a little bit more than normal cases. So I'll put this phone into this case, and you'll see how easy it is to pop my iPhone 15 Pro Max into this case like so. Boom, now it's installed, and you have access to your ports still. And I love the buttons. You see how the buttons feel like real buttons when it's in this case? That's probably my favorite feature about this case. The buttons actually feel better than without the case. You still have that nice lip that protects your camera lenses. You have the lip that protects the phone. Even though I have a screen protector on my phone, you can see the lip is still taller than the glass itself. So that's a plus in my book, and that's awesome. And you have access to all the ports, and you have the extra airbag, and this thing is a nice grippy case. It does have your real airbag and military grade protection. Lightweight design, that's for sure. You got the skin friendly and the MagSafe magnet. So there we go. Lamicall smartphone case. Let's go. Oh yeah. Boom. Which phone case should you get? Well, both these phone cases provide exceptional protection. Right now, I'm using this one. This one is smooth, slim, and stylish. It gives me a better grip, and it has just a slightly raised edge in the front as well as a raised edge back here to protect my camera lenses and to protect my front glass of the phone. And I do have a screen protector on this. You look very carefully, you will see the screen protector, and this thing is still slightly raised over the screen protector, so it's perfect. And although I really like this case, I wanted to see if there was something that this one could offer, because this one has a little bit of extra real airbag and military grade protection. So there's a little bit of an airbag element here that provides even more cushion, so when you drop it on the corner, it will absorb it better. We're going to look at it, so let's open this one up. Boom! Lamicall Smart Case. This one also has a MagSafe magnet too. Boom! Boom! Ooh, it's actually very similar. Oh yeah, I can see the airbag now. So there's just a little bit of extra air cushion. So it sticks out a little bit more, and it's a smoother design all around. So this one has more of a grip, and this one is a smoother design. Which one works for you? Well, it's kind of up to you, but I think I like the one with the grip a little bit more than the one with the airbag, but the one with the airbag provides more cushion. So let's take out the phone, and the cool thing is you can switch out the case from this phone to this phone quite easily. Oh wow, this one has a little magnet that says designed by Lamicall there, whereas this one doesn't have that, but I do know that they're both MagSafe. So let me put the phone into this new one right here, and let's take a look. And again, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max that we're gonna put in here. And here we go, boom, there we go. and snaps in place as quick as you can imagine. I do have the screen protector on my phone. It's raised enough to protect my lenses back here. It's raised enough to protect my screen protector up here. Oh, this one has an even extra bump at the corner. You see how this one is raised much more at the corners? Oh, that's nice. So this one is extra protection. It's raised even more. And the buttons are just as clicky as the other case. But this one, the buttons feel more separated, which is actually really nice. Whereas this one, the buttons felt integrated, you see? These buttons right here, although they're clicky when you have your phone on them, they feel a little bit more integrated, whereas this one feels a little bit more separated. And same thing with this button over here. It does feel like a separate button. I do like that. And you have the airbag protection all around here and the airbag protection all around down here too. Oops, my phone's turning on. Anyway, there we go. This is the Lamical. Oh, hello. Well, there we go. That's the two cases compared. So both of them are amazing cases. I like the grip on this one a little bit better, but I do like the button feeling on this one a little bit better, as well as obviously the extra raised protection. So I mean, if you compare, you can see the extra bump at the edges, right? You can see the extra bump. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this case one more time, just so you can see. It's so easy to take off, so you can change cases pretty much anytime you want. Pop this case in and you'll see the difference right away. So there we go, pop this case in. And you see the raised edge is not quite as much as the other one. You still have a raised edge, but not as much, not quite as much. You do have the buttons. They are still clicky. Oops. No. Cancel, 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 cancel. Triple tap the screen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, off. Okay, so yeah, the buttons are clicky too, but they're not quite as clicky as when you have it in this case right here. So in terms of button clickiness, I do like this one better over here. In terms of grip, I do like this one over here. In terms of protection, this one's better protection. In terms of protecting the camera, both of them protect the camera just as well. So there we go. There's the two Lamical cases. And you can pick whichever one that you like the best. Boom, Lamical cases. Oh yeah. Let's go, Lamical.